I'm Natalie, and I'll be showing you different attachments that can connect to the motors for the circuit playground. First, I'll start out by showing the TT motor. For the first attachment, I made some simple cardboard wheels and cut a rectangular hole in the middle so that it would slip onto the end of each side of the motor. And it won't run very well because it's only 2 wheels, but just for an example, for the next TT motor attachment, I created a merry-go-round using a disc of cardboard that I cut a rectangle in the middle, and then I taped these little horse drawings around it. For the next attachment, I have a cardboard disc with an LED poking through and connected to the circuit playground. And on top, I'll have the TT motor with the spinning dome I created. In the dark, you'd be able to see the light projecting better, but just for the concept. Next, we'll look at the hobby motor. Okay, the first hobby motor attachment is pretty simple. It's just a fan that you can hook on. We just have a disc spinning that we can use to paint on. So I'm going to take some blue and just gently touch so that it creates the line for me. If you press too hard, it makes the motor stop. You can try another color right here. And for the last hobby motor attachment, I have this bird that flies around. Ideally, this would be flying upside down, so it doesn't have to fly around your arm like this. You could probably support it with another disc underneath. Finally, we'll take a look at the servo motor. For this first attachment, it will just be a simple waving hand. I cut out a hand of cardstock paper and I taped it onto the servo with masking tape. I'm just going to plug the servo in. For the second attachment, I've attached a hobby motor to the servo motor to create an oscillating fan. For the last attachment, I created cat ears that respond to the button being pressed.